With such a slow momentum, I would expect if the market is going down, uh, it will sort of like rebound at around, I would say that around 20693. Right, I seems to make a mistake. Then I have an option. I can exit now, but I don't think I will. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, assuming if this is an uptrend, then I'm going to exit at about like here. I'm going to cut my loss there.
Order pending.
If the price doesn't go below the red line, then I might have to stop it somewhere there in a minute. So it looks a bit like that it's going to, the pivot will not going past this line there, this red line there. Then I might have to stop it, about that whip, in a minute. I was trying to change the positions. I move up a little bit, trying to get in with an extra contract. So all I need is extra point that I can get a fill. You can see I keep moving up because the downward momentum seems to sort of like, I mean, this all depends on whether it will go further down. Otherwise, I think this is the right spot to chase it. Finally got in, removed the shot, and I have just placed I've just placed a long, and hopefully it's get rebounds by looking at this sort of trend. If the price is going up with a sort of like a nearly 50% retracement, it can take me all the way up to the peak somewhere there. So I'm going to put a stop here this time.
Order pending.
What's happened now? Got in at this level, and it seems to. I mean, I seem to do the right things, sort of, because I adjust the price and try to get in, because it didn't. The price didn't actually get to this support level there, and I move it up and I place a 2 contract, and hopefully it will sort of like keep going up. With this kind of nearly 50% retracement, I would expect the price can go up to the peak with this alkaline there. So that will be a crucial point, because that might sort of like retrace when you get to, when the price getting to this point there.
Order filled.
So is that sort of busted my stop loss? So ignore that pivot there. With the sort of momentum at present, very likely it can sort of like go further down and go past that line. So I don't think there is any sort of like very fast action till 3. I just checked the Euro future market was down a little bit. I'm not sure what's happened at 3. It does got to this support line there. I'm not sure whether it will go further down. If I'm going to place an order, I'm going to wait and see, because you never know whether it will go past this line. I will wait. Have a look at 12, 18. Still got some downward momentum, as you can see from the stochastic. So I've got no idea when it is going to stop. Look at the 12, still got plenty of downward momentum. It doesn't seem to go up yet. So possibly it will go to 20642 before it starts to retrace. To be frank, if you ask me again, what do I think of this? What do I think of today's afternoon's market? I would say that it should go up rather than going down, and it should finish high because of the whip at the bottom, as I can see. Let's look at a slower chart. It could come up any time now because it's got to the RSI got to the RSI is still above 0 actually. It's really hard to tell. Oh, sorry, the RSI is below 50. Yeah, so it's hard to tell. It hasn't get to the oversold stage yet, but it sort of is below 50. So it's like a sideways walk. So I look at the foreign future like Dow Jones, S&P, FT, SE, DAX. They sort of all going down a little bit, you know. So I'm trying to find an entry somewhere, see whether I can sort of like, get in a good short position. Particularly, it's very close to 3. So I would imagine somewhere around here will be an ideal sort of like an entry point. Somewhere there. Okay, I'm going to